right, let's look at this. Look at this right here. This Santander, someone got their vehicle, they're starting to do their settlements. And remember what I had stated? I said that you're going to have to pay until they make their determinations. Well, they're starting to make their determinations. And this here, I'm glad that he posted this because this will show you, number one, that what I was saying was true the whole time about uh, that you could be in the settlement, even though they kind of stated it a little bit different in the agreement. So now in the settlement agreement, because they were basically making some people think that they would not be able to be in the settlement by the way that they were stating the dates in the timeline. But let's look right here. Uh, we got, hi everyone, I just received my title in the mail from Santander yesterday. This was uh, end of August. And short story, I defaulted on my loan a year ago, April 2019, and they charged off my account. I called August 2019 and brought the payments current, but still had it listed as a charge off. Um, Remember when in my other video where I talked about how they were basically using Santander, what they've been doing is basically running their finance company like a debt collection company. Well, they got caught with that. So that's another lawsuit that's in the pipeline right now, but they've been losing individual lawsuits with that. After making on-time payments on a charged off account, which see you can't do that legally because that when they charge it off, it puts it into a collection, and now they're collecting their own debts that are out there as a debt collector, but they're not listed in all of these states as a debt collector. They're listed as a finance company. But they were able to keep the card, and then last month, August 2020, went to make a payment, and it showed the balance, and then it said that so I went to check my transaction history and it showed a deduction of the entire amount. They were confused. So I tried calling them, and every time uh, I put in my account information, it would say, you don't have an account with us. I got nervous and they Googled the company, and lo and behold, they saw that there was a settlement jackpot. I logged into my account, message box, it said that they would be mailing the title within 2 weeks, receive the title, send there and saying you satisfied your loan enclosed is your lien and title. Thank and they said thank the Lord. So this and then someone else stated below there that the same thing happened to them. So uh, what you have to do is you have to just keep pushing. Some people it's just happening for it. Other people are gonna have to work hard for it. But this exactly what this person put in here is what's happened to a lot of people, a lot of you. This same thing happened, but the uh, the result of what's going to happen is happening at different times for everyone. So keep yourself thinking positive because if you are within the time frame, they will eventually get to you and you will get the title of your car or all of the negative information is going to be taken off of your credit report. Something that they're starting to resolve this because they have to resolve everything by December 31st of this year. So uh, keep the faith. You see this. This is proof that it's happening. Some people say that it'll never happen. Well, we just saw for this individual and another individual that August 31st it happened. Now, just think of all the settlement was done way back in May, and we're 3 months past it. I think back of all of the people that have quit and given up, and now that stuff is starting to happen, they're going to have to get started back up, because maybe they wrote Santander figured out that you quit and they've just written your stuff off, and they're only going to be dealing with the people that were demanding that something happen. With this individual, it looks like everything would just worked in place for him. He was very lucky, didn't have to do much. Basically, everything happened for this individual, but for other people, it seems that they're going to have to work hard to make sure that they're included in the settlement. But you can see the situation with what he was going through is basically the same situation that a lot of people are sending demand letters on right now. So this is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com. And this has been another Santander settlement, subprime settlement update. Thank you.